I think on Tuesday. Only for that reason I am.
Do what?
I had already pad thai on Tuesday. No, pad thai things that are ongoing. So
What's a private?
yeah, still look good.
Yeah, I was listening. The soup is the or at least for a couple of years.
The noodle is flat and wide.
This is the noodle.
What?
This is the noodle.
That's a noodle.
Oh, great.
That's my favorite, and I can never find this anywhere. And actually, this is not my favorite. My favorite is so large. My favorite is it's so good. And then as you get the whole gooiness in your mouth.
Now I'm regretting that I didn't take these off.
And then I like this one called pad kimao. Have you seen like rice cakes anywhere? Like rice cake.
I love it.
Because the gooey texture is like
super good.
You like more spicy?
I'm gonna come every week here.
You can start, guys. Go. I mean, it's probably burning.
You can start. Get in there.
It's like bombarded.
Anyway, this snow chain for your shoe is like really heavy, and then I can manufacture in China and just say like, hey, can you make my design?
Nice.
And then this company that makes this, and the other company does it for 100, and this company they only make these things.
What is this? Before I put it everywhere? Just